Hello friends, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can add an XML file to a project in Eclipse ID. So we have opened our project. Let's say we need to create an XML file. For that, right click on your project, click on new, and here you need to select XML, go to other and type XML here. Now you can see you have an option. You have an option here to create an XML file or an XML schema file. I'll click on XML file. After that, you need to select the parent folder, keep it as it is. Name of the file you can set if you want. I've kept it as new.xml. Now I'll click on next. Now an option is visible to create the XML file, that from where you want to create the XML file. I'll keep it as a default because we are focusing on a simple XML file. Click on next. Now you can see the option is visible to select the XML template. We will keep it as a default. So you may have seen in an XML file on the top the version and encoding is visible. So we'll keep it as it is. That is according to the templates available here. Now I'll click on finish. On clicking finish, now you can see we have created a new XML file. On the left, you can see it under Package Explorer, and the X icon shows that it is an XML file. Now the format is visible here for the XML file. So in this video, we saw how we can create a new XML file in already created Eclipse project. We created a new XML file. In this way, you can also create a new XML schema file. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. For more videos on Eclipse and programming, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.